Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can create a task. So the task can be created by two ways. The first way is when you log in into your CRM, here under home screen icon, go to my apps. Under my apps, the second option is of task. Click on task. So when you click on task, you will be able to see the previous task which has been assigned to you or has been created by you or has been shared by you. You can filter them by clicking on this particular action bar items. Now to create a new task, click on plus icon, select the task category, what kind of a task you want to create, select the module, whether it's related to a lead module or an account module, select the channel. Once under channel, now you need to select that particular account name or a business name for which you want to create a task. Select it and click on save. Now here you need to select the name of a user to whom you want to assign this particular task. You can assign it to multiple users or a single user. Then save it. Next option is of share with. Share with means you are not assigning this task to the particular person, but you are sharing this task information to this user as a information. Enter the title, enter the message. In case you want to attach any document, you can do that. Click on show more. Here you will see reminder type. It by default it's email. Reminder how much minute before it should send you a reminder. Do you want to repeat this task on daily, weekly, monthly or yearly basis? Or what is the priority of the task? Once you click it and then click on save. Now a task has been created, and to just view the task, click on this icon. So from here you can see the task details and the assigned user information. Thank you.